Hello everyone, this is Dr. Navneet Raj. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Prepare NTA NET Exam Online Daily Classes. And today is day 16 and class 4 of communication. And we have already done 60 questions so far. So let's start. Question number 61. Which of the following initiates the process of communication? Your options are A, medium, option B, decoder, option C, receiver, option D, sender. So which of the following initiates the process of communication? So the process initiates with sender. So the correct answer is option D, sender. Let's move to the next question, question number 62. Communicating the message to each individual personally rather through a message hung on a board will be, your options are option A, best communication, option B, bi-directional communication, option C, effective communication, option D, final communication. So rather communicating the message to each individual personally, you just write a message and hung it on a board. So it is an effective communication. So the correct answer is option C, effective communication. Let's move to the next question, question number 63. To decode message is to. Your options are option A, evaluate a message, option B, interpret a message, option C, translate ideas into code, option D, reject a message. So to decode a message is to interpret a message. When you interpret the message, you will decode the message. So the correct answer is option B, interpret the message. Interpret a message. Let's move to the next question, question number 64. The essence of effective communication is that. Your options are option A, sender and receiver both exchange information, option B, sender and receiver both attribute the same meaning to the message, option C, the receiver gives feedback to the sender, option D, none of the above. The essence of effective communication is that sender and receiver both attribute the same meaning to a message. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question, question number 65. One mind affecting another is the meaning of communication according to, your options are Wilbur Schramm, option B, Shannon, option C, Oxford Dictionary, option D, Gerbner. So the correct answer is option B, Shannon. Let's move to the next question, question number 66. Learning to communicate with others is key to, your options are option A, establishing rewarding relationships, option B, eliminating all of your listeners' physiological noise, option C, winning the approval of everyone around you, option D, never being misunderstood. So learning to communicate with others is key to establishing rewarding relationships. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question, question number 67. Which of the following is not a barrier to effective communication associated with the media channel? Your options are option A, noise, option B, space proxemics, option C, information overload, option D, inappropriateness of media and or channel. So which of the following is not a barrier to effective communication associated with the media channel? So the correct answer is option C, information overload. Let's move to the next question, question number 68. According to Keith Davis, how many types of grapevine chain occur? Your options are option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. So according to Keith Davis, it is 4 types of grapevine chain. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question, question number 69. Usually people's interaction with media are. Your options are option A, inactive, option B, unquestioning, Option C, homogeneous. Option D, all of these. So usually people's interactions with media are inactive as well as unquestioning, and it is also homogeneous. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. Let's move to the next question. Question number 70. The directional flow of information occurs in. Your options are option A, horizontal, option B, upward, option C, downward, option D, all of these. So the directional flow of information occurs in upward, downward as well as horizontal. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 71. How many types of communication occurs according to organizational structure? Your options are option A 3, option B 2, option C 5, option D 4. How many types of communication occurs according to organizational structure? So the correct answer is option B, 2 directions. Let's move to the next question. Question number 72. All of the following are the primary functions of communication except. Your options are option A, to develop creativity and understanding, option B, to inform, option C, to educate, option D, to entertain. So the correct answer is option A, to develop creativity and understanding. Let's move to the next question. Question number 73. Children's Film Society of India was established in. Your options are option A 1955, option B 1956, option C 1959, option D 1990. So Children's Film Society of India was established in 1955. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 74. Where accuracy of a communication is important than which type is desirable? Your options are option A, one-way communication, option B, two-way communication, option C, both A and B, option D, none of the above. Where accuracy of a communication is important than which type is desirable? So the correct answer is two-way communication. Correct answer is option B, two-way communication. Let's move to the next question. Question number 75. Encoding is important because it. Your options are option A, eliminates noise, option B, encourages listeners feedback, option C, produces messages, option D, guarantees that one's message will be decoded. So encoding is important because it produces messages. Correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 76. Premature evaluation comes under which of the following barriers of an effective communication? Your options are option A, psychological barrier, option B, language barrier, option C, personal barrier, option D, organizational barrier. So premature evaluation comes under which of the following barriers of an effective communication? It is psychological barrier. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 77. Downward communication refers to the flow of information from. Your options are option A, lower to higher, option B, higher to lower, option C, left to right, option D, right to left. So downward communication from higher to lower authority. So the correct answer is option B, higher to lower. Let's move to the next question. Question number 78. Communicators can improve their skills by. Your options are option A, making use of language, option B, sending non-verbal messages, option C, making persuasive presentations, option D, all of the above. So communicators can improve their skills by making use of language, sending non-verbal messages, as well as making persuasive presentations. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Let's move to the next question. Question number 79. Which of the following is not a reason given for the sharpening or leveling of messages as they travel downward through an organizational hierarchy? Your options are option A, noise, option B, condensation of messages, option C, closure, example, filling in gaps in message, option D, expectations about the content of a message. And the correct answer is option A, noise. Let's move to the next question and the last question of today. Question number 80. Which of the following is not true about the grapevine? Your options are option A, it is faster at conveying information than an organizational formal communication system. Option B, managers usually welcome its existence. Option C, it is somewhere between 75 and 95% as accurate as the formal communication system. Option D, it is found in almost all organizations. And the correct answer is option B. Managers usually welcome its existence. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel for daily classes and latest updates. Thank you very much.